Hi, my name is Paul and welcome to today's episode of Unveiled. In this episode, we're going to be discussing on how to generate leads online. There are different strategies which I'm going to be dishing out in the coming weeks. And today we're going to be discussing about video content marketing. We're going to be talking about video content marketing to be specific. And it's a broad topic anyway, but then we'll try as much as possible to cover the most important points, and I will be able to share with you strategies and tips for you to take back and implement on your own. But first and foremost, I want you to understand that in the course of time, these videos is going to become an online course, which I will be publishing online on my website. So if you really want to understand the practicals and the workouts, how to go about it, you would want to sign up for that course, and I will be making a big announcement when the time comes for that course to be launched. So for today, let's discuss video content marketing. Now, the world has changed. So every now and then I keep finding people making the same mistakes all over and all over again when it comes to video content and when it comes to content marketing. And for lead generation, if you want to generate leads, you need content. It is only content that can help you to generate leads. You don't just generate leads from anywhere. You can't just get people to just begin to show interest in your business or in whatsoever you're offering if you do not have a sellable content, a marketable content. And creating the content is one of the most difficult parts that many people find. Many marketers and digital marketing specialists, even social media specialists, they find it very difficult to create content because these days consumers' behavior, they have changed. People now begin to react in a different way. They begin to want to respond to ads and response to buying requests in a different way. So you need to convince them very well before they spend any penny. And that brings me to the point. How do you create this content? And what kind of content can you create that can generate leads for you? First and foremost, in talking of video content, you must be able to give value. There must be value. For you to generate leads, you need to create something that brings value. You need to have a product or something that is going to be an exchange for that lead which you want. Nobody's willing to give you their information. Nobody's willing to give you their emails, their phone numbers, whatsoever for free. The world has changed. Now people want to give it to you in exchange for something. So everyone is looking for value. So you need to create that value using your content.